Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and I hope you're all geared up for some exciting news today. So let's dive right in. We are here to announce the next 5 days of our Kcet mock paper series. We have carefully curated a 5 days long schedule packed with challenging questions and comprehensive solutions to help you excel in your Kcet exam preparations. So starting from tomorrow, here's a sneak peek of mock papers we have in store for you. So from tomorrow, we are going to upload 3 mock papers, that is chemistry, physics and maths. So maths mock paper which will help you to make ready to tackle complex algebraic equations, trigonometric identities and challenging calculus problems. Physics mock paper which will help you to dive into the world of mechanics, thermodynamics and electromagnetism with this physics forced mock paper. Chemistry mock paper which will help you to explore the limits of chemical equations, chemical reactions, periodic trends and organic compounds with this comprehensive chemistry mock paper. So these mock papers will be uploaded from tomorrow morning and a link to the PDF of the mock paper will be given in the description and the answers of the mock paper will be uploaded in the evening. To access this mock paper, simply visit our YouTube channel every day and make sure you have subscribed with the notification bell icon turned on so never miss a paper. We are here to support you every step of the way and we are confident that this mock paper will get you to the practice and the confidence you need to ace your Kcet exam. Thanks for joining and we cannot wait to see you tomorrow for the first mock paper in our Kcet mock paper series. Until then, keep studying, keep practicing. Thank you.